welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. As you can see in the title, today we're going to make sweet and sour chicken. It's very simple and really delicious. Only thing I'm going to add for seasoning is just a little black pepper and some chicken seasoning. You can add whatever you want to add, alright? Just gonna pour a little oil over it so my seasoning can soak nicely into the chicken. And we're just gonna mix well. Just gonna put this aside. So now I'm gonna make a nice little butter for my chicken. Here I have 5 tablespoons of flour. I'm just gonna use 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now I'm gonna add a little salt. One teaspoon of salt. Now I'm gonna just use 1 egg. I have 6 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna add it in. And just combine everything together. I'm gonna beat this until it's very smooth. So this is the texture that you're looking for. And we're gonna pour this over our chicken and leave that to marinate for and we're just going to mix this well. So now I'm going to make the sweet and sour sauce. So here I have 5 tablespoons of ketchup. Everything I'm using is 5 tablespoons, but not the soy sauce. So I'm adding some granulated sugar, some vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And we're just going to mix that well. I'm just going to taste that to see if it needs anything else. That's perfectly fine. I'm just going to set it aside until I'm ready to use it. Our chicken is ready. I'm just going to remove them. So this is how we want them, very nice. I'm just going to place them on a piece of paper towel to drain the excess oil from it. Just going to put them aside. So here I have my onion. You can use whichever onion that you want to use. So I'm just going to slice it in 4 pieces. And we're just going to cut them that way. So this is the vegetables. This is good enough. Perfect. So what I did, I used the same oil from the chicken. So we're going to saute the onions. Gonna have my bell peppers. I'm gonna add my sauce in. Tastes so delicious. And I did forget to add my fish and meat sauce, so I did go ahead and add it in. I think you can get fish and meat sauce anywhere. That really brings the flavor into your food. It's really good. You should try that. Any brand is good. Anyone is alright to use. Beautiful. This is yummy. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.